In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe with Shopify payments. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage product listings, sales, and of course, payment settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From this menu, click on Settings. This area houses all your store configuration options, including those for payments. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll find the Payments option. Click on it and this will take you to the Payment Methods section, which is crucial for setting up a payment gateway like Stripe. Here, you'll see various payment provider options that Shopify is compatible with. To proceed with integrating Stripe, click on Choose a Provider. This action will present a list of all available third-party payment providers that Shopify supports. Now, you want to look for Stripe in the list of third-party providers. It's a popular choice due to its robust transaction management features and ease of use for both store owners and customers. Once you find Stripe, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt Shopify to initiate the connection process with Stripe. You'll now be directed to a new window where you'll need to enter your Stripe email address. Make sure you've already signed up for a Stripe account, as this step requires existing login details. Enter your email associated with your Stripe account and double-check to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered your email, look for the Connect button. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking your Stripe account with Shopify. It's important here to be patient and allow the system to process the connection. Following this, you'll be prompted to verify and complete the connection between your Stripe and Shopify accounts. This final step may include verifying account details, confirming your business information, and agreeing to any necessary terms and conditions. It's vital to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.